Hi friends, in the video la history of English language la 6th topic change of meaning இதோடைய MCQs தான் நம்ம இதில் பார்க்க போகிறோம். First question, dash is the study of history of words. It throws light on the rise and fall in meaning of words. Answer, etymology. Second question, the branch of linguistics that studies the meaning of words is called dash. Answer, semantics and semasiology. Third question, dash refers to a process in which a word acquires a wider meaning. Answer, generalization. Fourth question, specialization denotes dash, narrowing of meaning. Fifth question, dash is also called amelioration. Answer, elevation. Sixth question, dash refers to the process in which words acquire a better meaning or positive meaning. Answer, elevation. Seventh question, which is opposite to elevation and also called peroration. Answer, degradation. Eighth question, which is refers to the process in which words have acquired a negative meaning. Answer, degradation. Ninth question, dash includes the process of euphemism, association of ideas, metaphorical meaning, denotation, connotation, and collocation. Answer, extension of meaning. Tenth question, dash is a figure of speech in which a word gets extended meaning. Answer, metaphor. Thank you for watching friends. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா ப்ளீஸ் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். இது மாதிரி உங்களுக்கு வேறு ஏதோ ஒரு டாப்பிக்கும் MCQs வேணும்னா நீங்கள் கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். நான் கண்டிப்பாக அப்லோட் பண்ணுறேன் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். பாய்.